Sir, yesterday the BJP took the press conference saying that there is no need of minority commission. What do you like to say on it?
See, if you look during the time the BJP has come and you look at the amount of episodes of communal tension in the state of Goa, how much of communal tension has been reached? Khas Karun, last year there was a big agitation. People were on roads asking for protection of their rights. From 2012 to 2025, how many communal tension episodes have happened? How many had happened in the past? Minority Commission is an authority, is a neutral authority that is required in the state of Goa to protect the rights of the minorities. And this is something that I believe, if you look what happened in Chhattisgarh, we raised it here. Why will it not happen in Goa? What happened in Manipur? Till today, whatever is happening in Manipur, this government does not want to even debate on it. The Prime Minister also doesn't debate on it. So whoever is saying, Magadista ki basic need is that the minority commission should be put in place. It is a right that is given as per the statutes. It is a right that is given as per our constitution. So I fail to understand why they are fearing it. It is a right, and they have to make sure that the minority commission has been appointed.
Okay, so the second issue, today in the morning there was assault in the Margao. How you look at this government?
No, see, the law and order, we have highlighted the way people are not scared of the police. There is law and order situation is pathetic in the state of Goa. Now, whether this law and order chief minister Munta Mare awareness create झालं complaint जाता है मग ये awareness create ला मग उघडी झाला. Why is this law and order situation happening? Because they know that the politicians are involved, the police are involved, no prosecution is going to be there. Number of murders are rising, rapes are rising, dacoity is rising, everything is on the rise. And this chief minister says everything is under control. He says drugs that came from Thailand, and your answer says no, there is no drugs, that is, source is not identified. So I believe the system has failed, law and order today has failed, and things are going from bad to worse. Goa is heading into Jungle Raj. It's becoming a banana republic. And if we do not step in, if the Home Ministry doesn't step in, this situation will go from bad to worse. People will start killing each other.
Okay.
Thank you.